Hello children, this is our EVS class. Children, in our previous class we have completed chapter 4. We have read and discussed chapter 4. Now let's complete the exercise of this chapter. Take the right answer. And children, this is page number 37. Water is needed by plants, animals, humans, all of this. Yes, water is needed by plants, animals, humans. So the correct is all of this. Okay. We need water to put out. We need water to put out fire, cooking gas, light. Put out fire. We dash water to make it pure. Filter, boil, both 1 and 2, none of this. We dash water to make it pure. We filter and also boil. So this one is the correct answer, both 1 and 2. Okay. Filter and boil. So both 1 and 2. Number D, we get water from ponds, rivers, lakes, all of this. Okay. Water is used for cooking, cleaning, bathing, all of this. Yes, all of this. Next, take the right sentences and cross the wrong one. Number A. Plants do not need water. Is it true, children? Plants do not need water. So the first one is A. We get water from rain. We get water from rain. Yes, we get water from rain. We have learnt about it. Rain is the main source of water. So this one is true. So put a tick mark here. Next, plants do not need water. This is number B. Is it true? No, it is not true. Plants need water. Water has a fixed shape. Number C, water has a fixed shape. We have read about it. Water doesn't have any fixed shape. Okay. So this one is wrong. Next, number D, water is present under the ground also. Yes, water is present under the ground. This is called groundwater. So this one is right. We do not need water to breathe. We do not need water to breathe. Yes, this is also true. We do not need water to breathe. We need air to breathe. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. So children, first we are going to read the words given in the box and then fill the blanks. So what are the given words? Rainwater, water, running, colorless. All living things need dash to live. All living things need water to live. WATER, water. Next, water is dash. Water is colorless. Okay, colorless. COLOUR, color. Right here, children. Colorless. COLOUR, color. LESS, colorless. Okay. Now see, we should collect dash. We should collect rainwater. Right here, rainwater. Next, we should not use dash water to clean cars. Running water. Okay. Now answer the following questions. Write the names of any 4 sources of water. Here children, you have to write any 4 sources of water like pond, lake, river, well, okay, hand pump. So write in this way. I will discuss the answer and you have to write the answer yourself. Write in this way: pond, then lake, then river, then you can write well, or you can write hand pump. These are the write any four names. Okay, write any four names and then write are the four sources of water. Okay, are the four sources of water. Okay, in this way complete the answer. Next, write any three uses of water. Now you can write the answer in this way: any three uses of water are drinking, cooking, bathing. Or you can write in this way: drinking, cooking, bathing are the three uses of water. Okay, so complete the answer. Drinking, K-I-N-G, drinking. You have to write drinking first because this is the main use. We need water to drink, otherwise we can't live. We cannot live without water. So write in this way: drinking, cooking, bathing are the three uses of water. Okay, are the three uses of water. Follow the question and complete the answer. In this way, children, you have to learn how to write the answer in full sentences. ओके आपको फुल सेंटेंस में आंसर लिखना और खुद से लिखना सीखना होगा. तो आपको क्वेश्चन फॉलो करके आप आंसर कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. तो इस आंसर को आप कैसे लिखिए: ड्रिंकिंग, कुकिंग, बाथिंग आर द थ्री यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. ओके, ये आपने थ्री लिख लिया. फिर क्वेश्चन से देखिए: आर द थ्री यूजेस ऑफ वाटर, और लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप देना मत भूलिएगा. How can you save water? Write any two methods. So children, we have learnt about many ways how to save water. Now here you have to write any two ways how we can save water. ओके कैसे हम लोग वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं, उसका कोई भी दो आपको यहाँ पे मेथड्स लिखना पड़ेगा. तो इसके आंसर आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? एक तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं: वी कैन सेव वाटर इन दिस वे. ओके, फॉलोइंग दिस मेथड्स वी कैन सेव वाटर. ऐसे करके भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. टू सेव वाटर, वी शुड. ऐसे आप जस्ट स्टार्ट कीजिए आंसर को. वी शुड, फिर 1 देके फर्स्ट मेथड लिखिए, फिर 2 देके सेकंड मेथड लिखिए. टू सेव वाटर वी शुड, SHOULD, शुड फर्स्ट, ये सेकंड ये. तो इसको आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? वी शुड टर्न ऑफ द टैप्स वाइल वी डू नॉट नीड, or while we brushing teeth. We must get leaking taps repaired. इसको भी आप लिख सकते हैं. So follow your book. Okay, this answer you can see the answer. This is page number 35 and 36. So follow the book and write the answer. Write any two methods. बुक में बहुत सारे मेथड्स दिए गए हैं कि आप ये कीजिए, वो कीजिए, इससे आपका क्या होगा, आप वाटर सेव कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि टर्न ऑफ कर दीजिए टैप को जब आप ब्रश कर रहे हैं, और लीकिंग टैप्स को रिपेयर कीजिए. ये हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. तो वहाँ से आपको दो कोई मेथड्स यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा जो आपको ईजी लगे. ऐसे दो मेथड लिखिए जैसे आप वाटर सेव कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, हाउ कैन यू से दैट वाटर हैज़ नो फिक्स्ड शेप. तो कैसे आप बोल सकते हैं कि वाटर का कोई फिक्स्ड शेप नहीं होता है. तो आप इसका आंसर ऐसे लिखिए: वाटर हैज़ नो फिक्स्ड शेप. यहाँ से आप लिखिए: वाटर Hence, you have to write the question answers in your EVS copy. Okay, no fixed shape, because because it takes the shape of the, I have to erase, shape of the container it is poured into. It is, you can find the answer on page number 35. Poured into. Okay, so complete the answer in this way. Thank you.